Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you hidden TOTS store, how to easily purchase 94 and 99 OVR TOTS player in FC Mobile. So before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can chance the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by open the store, this one. So the pack will be not in here, not in recommended feature or in top event, but the store will be in exchanges. So tap the division rifles, this one, division rifle reward untradeable, the TOTS player with 94 and 99, between 94 and 99 OVR. If you're lucky, you can get one of this player. So you can get the untradeable player with only 3,500 division or competitive points. You can earn this competitive point if you play PvP modes versus attack, head-to-head, manager mode, or league tournament. So if you win, you can get competitive points. And I have 4,000 up to 4,000 a competitive point, enough to purchase this. Let's purchase with 3,500. Tap to open. Let's see, we got the OTS player from Serbia, central midfielder, play for Al Hilal. We got Sergey. Yes, we got Sergey Milinkovic Savic with 94 OVR. He good in passing, dribbling, and he got a 5 traits: outside foot shot, power header, long shot taker. He's like a central midfielder and attacking midfielder here. So good luck, maybe you're lucky. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe the button below. Enjoy the game.